Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Laura, this is Zena. Wyatt is the white puppy dog on bug patrol. Here he is. I'm sure you'll see him at some point during this video. For today, I am super excited because I have a brand new subscription box to share with you. KicksNation. I love when I have something new to share with you, and this one is the first subscription box all about the modern sneaker. This is a sneaker subscription box. What? And you fill out a profile, which is quite ingenious in that, Zena's right behind me, in that you get 3 pairs of sneakers or tennis shoes in your box for you to try on, keep what you love, send back what you want, what you don't love. But you get to pick what type of sneaker you'd like to get in for each of those 3 pair. So for instance, I'm not a hardcore runner, jogger, or really workout person. So when I filled out my profile, I asked for 3 pair of lifestyle tennis shoes. One I asked for, I'd prefer like a slip-on pair. Another, I think I asked for a pair of walkers, and I think, and we can get into it when I open my box. And I think the other pair I might have said was a active pair. And then you can say like you want slip-ons, what kind of colors you'd like, if you want neutrals, if you want white, if you want colorful. So you get to pick what you want, and then a stylist curates them for you. It's amazing. There is a $15 styling fee that goes into putting these boxes together for you and shipping them to you. That fee is gone. That goes into getting this all prepped for you. The sneakers range from $150 to $300. These are name brand sneakers, and they are all tested and true before they are ever sent to you. Let's dig into my box. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. While I'm opening this, I also wanted to mention that KicksNation also partners with Souls for Souls, which is a program that allows you to send back sneakers that are pre-worn that you no longer want to keep, and then they will reuse them, repurpose them. They'll repurpose them for, I'm trying to think what the right words are, basically to provide disaster relief, fight poverty, and protect the planet. So I think that's awesome. So whenever, see how there's 3 slots in here. So when you keep a pair, and you don't have to keep all 3, keep what you love, send back what you don't, but when you free up a slot, put a pair of tennis shoes in that you're no longer using, and they'll repurpose them in one of those ways. Okay, I have a little envelope here with my name on it. And then I have 3 slots here with tennis shoes. I'm so excited. All right, I'm so excited. They carry sizes, and women, sizes 5 to 12. For men, 6 to 14. If you need something smaller or bigger, contact them. They will try to work with you and see if they can get it. Let's see. They do ship to the U.S. If you are in Hawaii or Alaska, they also say to contact them, and they'll see if they can't work out shipping. All right, so I have a pricing sheet inside my envelope, as well as a note from my stylist that tells me about the items that are inside my box. And I also have a return shipping label that I just threw on the ground. Okay. I do have a discount code for you if you want to give this a try. I'll share at the end. Let's first see what I've got. So here's my first pair. We're going to try all these on. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So excited. So I did ask for 1 white pair because white is so in this year. These are vintage Havana. These are leather. These feel amazing. Check these out. I love these. These will look awesome with joggers. So I asked for white. If you don't want white, you tell them don't want white. But I asked for these. I'm already intrigued, and I'm not, like, sneakers are not usually my go-to, but I like to have them. Okay, I'm in love. This is my first pair. And let me see what it tells me about them. It says the vintage Havana Flake and off-white. These vintage Havana sneakers feature a slip style, no tie. So there, you can just slip them right on. This must be, let's say you can slip them right on. So I don't have to tie them at the top, which I love. This says that they have a slightly dirty outsole and fits true to size. So that means this out here. Pair them with your favorite knit skirt to complete a perfect look. Finally, you ask for a lifestyle runner and oh, nope, I won't tell you that yet. That's for the next one. I'm so excited. All right, here's the next pair. Let's see what these are. This vintage Havana, $138 or $130. $130. Oh, they sent me another. This is a white pair. I must have asked for, so this must be the white pair, and this is the off-white pair for my neutral. So these are by Cariuma, because I did ask for a simple slip-on style. This is called Cariuma IBU slip-on in white knit for you. This lightweight shoe is, it is lightweight, it weighs nothing. This lightweight shoe is ultra comfy. We know that's #1 for you and made with vegan knit using sustainably harvested bamboo and recycled plastics. So that is amazing. This is conscious mind, comfy feet. So these are, I like these. All right. So these are off-white, these are white, is what they're telling me. They look very similar to me, but that's okay. These are leather, these are knit. These seem very, very stretchy, and I like this style. I think I asked for one neutral pair, one white pair, and one colorful pair. So I can't wait to see what this third pair looks like. Hansi. Okay. Oh, they didn't go too crazy. And I love pink. So these are adorable, and I actually think these could be almost more neutral. These are cute. So these are Veja. And these, oh, before I forget, these were $98. So not too bad. These are adorable. These are lightweight too. So they say that the Veja Condor Alveomesh in dried petal is what this is called. Modeled on a vintage design, this shoe features a lightweight mesh upper and mixes performance, bio-based, and recycled materials. We think this fun lifestyle shoe will be great for you, and we hope you feel the same. So it says, as always, make sure you try on each pair and get a sense of style and fit. Something you shut down at first glance might just become your all-time favorite. If you have old shoes, this is what I mentioned before, that you no longer use, take advantage of our partnership with Soles for Souls and reuse your sneaker box to donate them. Not only will your shoes stay out of a landfill, they'll be put to work to help someone in need. So that's awesome. Okay, let's try these on and see how they look. I'm excited. Okay, so first pair is the vintage Havanas. These are the off-white pair. And I think that they are adorable. So they are very, very flexible, not stiff in any way. I'm going to show you a close-up, hopefully, here on one of these sides as well, so you can see what they look like. But these are adorable. What do you think of these? Wyatt's interested in the box over here. I can see me wearing these with joggers, shorts, definitely into the fall when the weather starts to cool down, but pretty much all year around. I really like these. I like the color because they'll go with so much, and I think they should be able to be wiped off for washing. I like these. And they're comfortable. I'll probably wear them around the house a bunch before I make final decisions, But first off, and I have no socks on, very, very comfortable. All right, let's do the next pair. Second pair. Okay, these are so comfortable. Easy slip on, very, very soft, very, very comfortable. These would definitely be a go-to for all the things. They're the same color as Wyatt's fur. How cute are these? So my only concern would be just trying to make sure, whoops, I'm too close, trying to make sure that I keep them clean. So I would have to check washing instructions, if I can just throw these in the wash, or if I'd have to spot clean them, because I really, really like these. I love a good, easy slip on. These were easier to slip on than those, obviously, but those weren't difficult. It just took a few extra seconds. But I love these. And I like that each month, you know, if you like these types of shoes and you do want to get more similar styles, you can just switch up your colors, patterns, etc. because you can also get patterns. And they do, this is a subscription box, but you don't have to sign up for a subscription, so I want to make sure I call that out. You can just do on-demand boxes. You don't have to sign up for a subscription. All right, I got one more pair. Last pair, which goes perfectly with my outfit, by the way. I was really worried when I said I wanted a colored pair that they would send me something so colorful I wouldn't be able to wear it with anything, and I have to go with, you know, an outfit like what I have on. But these you could wear with so much. So I love that they're pink, but not this bold, bright neon pink. All of these shoes fit me perfectly, and I'm shocked by that as well. So I don't feel like I need to return anything due to size. So I'm quite surprised. I am trying everything on without socks on, but I have room, a little bit of room in all of them, so I'm not worried about that at all. I can put socks on. Sometimes I don't like to have socks on, sometimes I do, so I want to make sure I tried them on both ways and they weren't slipping off my feet. I love these tennis shoes so much. These have some extra cushion here. You can tell these are made for a little bit more of a strenuous design, so probably more, I think these were the ones I chose that were for, what did they tell me about this pair? So this one is the Veja Condor. It has a lightweight mesh upper, mixes performance, bio-based, and recycled materials. So these were more of a performance shoe than the rest, and you can tell. These are super comfortable, and I really like the look of them. So tell me what you think. So I feel like if I were to do some walking, I would probably choose these, as well as anything, activities that I have with my family. I would go with these, but I would wear these on a daily basis as well. I would put these on with joggers, a jean jacket, a t-shirt. I think this would be cute as part of an outfit. Wyatt, what are you doing? Huh? And that is all three of my tennis shoes. I have to tell you, I am super impressed. So let's do a quick wrap up. All right, so this last pair that I tried on, this pink pair, I still have them on here, which I love, $159.95. The total then for all three pair, $387.95, but you don't need to keep all three. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. I actually really like all three pairs, so let me know what you think. I think they did a great job listening to my preferences. They sent me exactly what I asked for. Yeah, the only thing was I wasn't expecting two like whitish pair. I was expecting like a neutral and a white, but basically that they still stuck within my requirements. So I actually like all three pair. Let me know what you think though. I will put all the information for KicksNation down below. I will list my three pair in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. If you use my link, which I'll put down below, you will get, I believe it is $15. Yeah, $15 towards your first box. I'll also put my code. You can use my link or my code, which will be Laura411. And that will will also get you the $15 off your first box. I did want to let you know that when you kick off your box, they do put a $25 hold on your credit card. That's just to confirm that it's an active credit card, so don't be surprised. They don't actually charge you that. It's just to make sure that it's an active credit card and to get the whole process started. But it's a $15 styling fee. They send you the box. They don't charge you anything else until you get them, try them on, and then you keep what you love, send back what you don't, and you're only charged for the shoes that you keep. So if you send all of them back, the only charge that you would have would be the $15 for the styling fee. And I think that's it. What did you think? So fun, right? A shoe subscription box. And I'm kind of loving all the tennis shoes. These were great tennis shoes, right? I love bringing you guys something new. So this was a fun one. All right, so I still have the pink ones on. I'm definitely keeping them. I am definitely thinking of keeping these. And I am definitely thinking of keeping these. So I don't think any of my tennies are going back. I think I am keeping all 3 pair. I loved my first box. I hope you did too, but do share what your favorite pair was down below. Can't wait to read your comments. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please do hit that like. Love you hang out with me and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, bye everybody.